Walk the stars inside of me, velvet lighting down my spine, every breath of all divine. Mirrors bend when I walk by, can't contain the reason why I'm not wired like the rest, voltage dancing in my chest. Neon hearts, golden veins, running power through my name. I don't fade, I don't pretend, I ignite and I transcend. Force born electric, built to shine. Universe is on my side. Silver sparks beneath my skin, every dream is wired within. Frequency of truth and grace, you can see it in my face. Every beat a sacred sound, every footstep shakes the ground. I'm the glow that never dim, I'm the spark that stole the hymn. Neon heart, golden veins, running power through my name. I don't fade, I don't pretend, I ignite and I transcend. Born electric, born to rise, shining mirrors in my eyes. No circuit, no limit, just light emotion and thunder wearing devotion. Every breath rewrites my fate, energy divine. Neon heart, golden veins, running power through my name. Every step becomes my place.